Hello, my name is Gabriel Garza, and today we will be presenting the country Bangladesh. This country is located in South Asia. And okay, some important facts about economics and transportation in Bangladesh. It's you must declare any items worth more than $5,000 before entering. You can only take out less money than you brought in or the same amount. You must disclose any items valued at more than 58.62 cents dollars before leaving. There is no exchange of Bangladesh taka for American dollars. Bangladesh roads are in bad conditions. There aren't many signs enforcing the laws, and it's very risky to travel there. The air quality in Dhaka is currently poor, thus spending time outside should be kept at minimum. The current climate in Dhaka is hot and muggy. It's much likely like Kingsville. Due to exceedingly hazardous driving conditions in Dhaka, we recommend traveling with a highly experienced driver. Overview considerations for safety. Priorities safety when traveling to Bangladesh will be due of the low air quality. You should bring a mask. Due to pickpocketing, keep an eye on your belongings when in large crowds. Climate climate because of its humid climate, slang and communications because of misunderstanding. To make a vacation to Bangladesh as easy as possible, make sure to be respectful and do your research about the place before you're there. What you should know before a meeting: shaking hands with other males is appropriate. It is preferable to put your hands over your heart and not if there is a woman presented in the meeting. Don't reach out to a woman unless she initiates the contact. It is ideal to exchange business cards during the initial introduction and to hold the card in your right hand. The best business attire for males is a darker color suit, and it's strongly advised to wear easy to put on shoes like loafers. For women, a non-revealing loose-fitting dress or suit is ideal for work. Crucial facts about negotiations. It is crucial to keep in mind that Bangladesh will need several sessions to reach a solution when engaging in talks. When discussing many meetings, it may require up to 7 sessions with Bangladesh in order to reevaluate all the issues and make sure they are fair. They're all fair. Bangladesh people are indirect. Their indirect strategies to avoid scattering, scattering tensions. Given that all they want to do is conduct business, it is essential to adopt this strategy when interacting with them. Since the Bangladesh people like to confirm that you are taking their business seriously, being punctual will increase your esteem. Some considerations we can take out of this: it's important to understand that spend money as most large firms frequently pay officials to make or export items into and out of Bangladesh in order to conduct business more quickly and avoid paying fees and other licenses that would take too long. In terms of how trustworthy it is, Bangladesh is ranked 145 out of 175 on the Transparency International website. This indicates that Bangladesh is among the lowest for a number of reasons, including bravery and variety of public money and regimes that systemically undermine the public sector. Bangladesh Bangladesh is extremely open to foreign travel, trade, and investment. This make it simple for you incorporate your business with 100% foreign ownership. Arriving early for a meeting demonstrates to them your seriousness about doing business with them. These are the words cited. Thank you for your time.